Hello everybody, in this video I will teach you how to assign variables in Python. A variable is a symbolic name that is a reference to an object. Example, dog name equals to Sammy. Rules for assigning variables. A variable name shouldn't start with any number. Means that when creating a variable, the name of that variable shouldn't start with any number. There shouldn't be any space between the name of the variable, but if you want you can use the underscore. You shouldn't use any special symbols. Tips for assigning variables. It is better if you will use lowercase name for creating variables. Don't use special keywords as a variable name such as integer, string or list. Python is a dynamically typed language which is different from other languages. If you reassign variable name in other languages, it will cause a result error. This makes Python flexible in assigning variables. In a dynamically typed language, it is easy to reassign variable names. While doing dynamic typing in Python, you should be aware of the type function. The type function is a built-in Python function that will help you to check the type of a variable. Okay, so let's go and explore the concepts of variable assignment in Python. Since we have learned about numbers in Python, now we will see how we can create variables and assign them values. So let me go ahead and create a variable. Now if I will just call it, it will show me what value it has been assigned. As you can see, the value of x is 10. Now if I will just go ahead and change its value to 20, if I will call it again, it will show me that the value it has been assigned is 20. Now let's try x plus x. It's 40. Also, Python allows you to do reassignment with the reference of the same object. Let me show you how you can do that. Now I can reassign it to something like x equals x plus x. Now if I will call x, you can see that the value of x is now 40. Because x equals x plus x, which I'm referencing to the x that I created earlier. Now if you remember earlier I told you about a built-in function in Python called type. Now I'm gonna use it and show you type of variable x. As you can see, the type of variable x is integer. Now if I were to go and change the value of x to, let's say, 2.34, and if I were to check its type again, you can see it's float. Now let me tell you about a mistake a normal Python beginner do. They assign the name of a variable to an internal Python keyword such as integer, float, list, etc. If you do this, this can result in error in a Python script. Okay, so let's say at some point in the future you will become an advanced Python user, and let's say you are writing a script for something like finance, and if you will use the Python internal keyword as a variable name, then it will result in an error. Okay, now let me give an example where you can use variable names. Okay, now we have covered numbers in Python and variable assignment. Next, we will learn about strings. Also, if you want to support my YouTube channel, then please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out any of my future videos.